One of the best things about Fullbay that a lot of people don't even realize until after they've signed up is the customer portal. Now, this allows a shop to eliminate one of the biggest problems in the commercial repair industry, and that is communication. With the customer portal, a customer can request a repair right in the portal and it pops up inside Fullbay for the shop. It's beautiful. Not only that, the customer can immediately see when the shop has started working on the truck. The lack of communication can really engender frustration on both sides. Everything that they need to know to get that repair done and get it authorized, the customer portal allows you to expose that. So repair requests coming in. When you're ready to authorize a job, you can send it to the customer. They can look at it on their phone in the portal, say yes or no to whatever they want you to repair, hit submit. Immediately the technician is notified, the service manager knows, and the customer feels like they're being heard. That really goes a long way towards customer satisfaction. Customer portal is outstanding.